Hi, in this video I will show you how to delete and remove spyware from Android phone. So when you head over to your Play Store and try to search for spyware or removing spyware, you can head over and search in here for cleaner. So it usually shows up a lot of cleaner apps, and on some cases those apps are actually ineffective and may even bring you the actual malware itself. So what we can do is we can use the actual spyware app or settings app that we have in here for our Android built in. So you can head over right here to your settings, and then from in there scroll down, and then just head right here to security and privacy, and in here make sure to turn on your play protect. So head over and click on this right here, passing CR devices at risk, so you need to take that out. Then after that you also have some security recommendations, so make sure to actually take action. So you can see in here the actual checklist for that, and you can click in here this privacy, and you can view apps with full access to your actual phone, and then you can remove them in order to make sure that it will be removed. So that's how you delete and remove spyware for Android phone. Hope we help.